welcome back to my channel. So today I have again a chatty get ready with me. I hope you'll enjoy this one, and I'm really well prepared today I guess, because I do have my panda eyes and I do have this very comfy sweater which says maybe, and this I got from Yes Style, and it's really like oversized and so just comfy, you know. So I will start with my Bourjois Health Mix Concealer. By the way, excuse my nails. I don't really remember the last time I wore some kind of nail polish on my nails. I'm trying just to, you know, let them breathe in a way. They do look a bit strange like this, you know, without nail polish. And you probably noticed this already because in some of my videos I don't have any nail polish. I don't know why. I mean, it's not that I'm lazy, it's just, you know, nail polish chips after a couple of days and you need again to reapply it. So yeah, I'm just letting my nails just stay like this, natural. Because I will use this really cool Tarte cream shadow which I bought recently. I got 2 of these and these look absolutely amazing. Look at this. It's so beautiful and it's very pigmented. Remind me a lot of the, you know, the Korean cream shadows that I really like and I always talk about. These are kind of the same, but they do have more pigment definitely, but they're again quite expensive. So if you don't have, you know, a lot of money to spend on these things, I definitely recommend the Korean ones from Baume, from what else? So when I do use cream shadow, I always like to use also cream shadow for the crease. So I will use this pony effect over you cream shadow. Just apply this, you know, on the back of my hand, then use my Hakuhodo G55 toothbrush. Blend this a little bit again in here, take off the excess, and then apply this in the crease. So I still have, you know, that really nice crease color ready to apply the pigment on the lid. You still have, you know, that definition there, but it's in cream form, so it works really nice with the cream shadow. And then while this dries, I quickly just take the brush I used to apply concealer on the lid and I buff, you know, these harsh lines in here. Now I will take my Lunatic Cosmetics Labs, this palette, this eyeshadow, apply this a little bit on my brow bone and to buff this crease a bit more. Something like this. Now onto this gorgeous eyeshadow. This is called Martini and it's an olivey green, just gorgeous color with gold, and I think this, yeah, applies very nicely with the brush too. Very pigmented. Now for the mascara, I will use my Smoky Lash from Makeup Forever. And by the way, you probably noticed already that I am using Daylight as lighting for today's video. So let me know if you like it. Now moving on to foundation, I will mix 2 products, my Giorgio Armani Polo Fabric with my Photography Fluid Opacity 12% from NIOD. And I like to mix these 2 because the NIOD one, I will show you, it's like kind of like a shimmery base in a way, white, but it's more like a very pearly iridescent kind of color. I will show you a swatch, and because of that, it's really great to mix this with some other foundations if the color is, I don't know, maybe too dark for you, or you want to add that glowy effect, because this has a lot of really fine particles. So I will just apply this on my face, and this NIOD product just makes the foundation lighter and of course more like radiant looking. And also it shears out a little bit the formula because the Giorgio Armani fabric It's more of a medium to full coverage foundation. By the way, I started watching Hannibal on Netflix. One day we were like, oh, let's watch something, me and Andre, and we saw Hannibal, and then we started watching it. We actually finished already the first season, so finished it this weekend, but I don't even know if I have an opinion, because yes, it's kind of interesting, it's very dramatic in some places, but also sometimes it's really disturbing, you know, also the psychological side and the bodies, the blood, everything. It's just really disturbing sometimes, even for me, even if I like, you know, horror movies and I like this kind of things, even for me it was too much. For concealer, of course, I will use my Bourjois Healthy Mix, and I will just add a little bit of this in here, and I will blend it. And now let's finish this face with a bit of Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and my big Chic GSN 3 brush. I'm applying this mostly on my T-zone, just set everything in here. Contour, blush and highlights. I will use two palettes that I recently received from ByTerry, and this is the Sun Designer palette. This in number 5 Hippie Chic and number 6 Happy Sun. Absolutely amazing. And I will use this middle shade in here to contour. Now this will be lovely also as a blush, as a very neutral blush. I love this kind of colors on my cheeks, but also to contour this with, it will be really nice. It's more on the movie side, so works great as both blush and contour. And this is Hippie Chic. Again, such bright colors, so lovely. Like, I want to use this all over my face, but I cannot use more than 2-3 colors. So I'm taking this middle shade for contour with my Zoeva brush. These are super soft, so you get quite a lot of powder, but they're so nice, and they're very pigmented as well. And this is my 132 brush. I'm applying this both for contour and also bring it up, you know, on the cheeks as well. Now on top I will add also a little bit of this really bright pink, just on apples and up. And as a highlighter I will use this shade, which has like iridescent pink shimmer particles, really fine ones. They'll go low. So I finished my brows and I'm ready to finish the eyes. So again, I will go ahead and use this underneath. So I'm taking my Chic eyeshadow brush and this small pencil brush, and I will just apply this in here to add a bit of definition. Now adding just a little bit of mascara, and then I will just pop in some false lashes. Okay, and the lashes are on. I used my Backstage Beauty Beverly Hills false lashes. These are absolutely gorgeous. And now for the lips, I will just use my balm. This is the ByTerry Rose Balm because it smells very good. It's very soothing, and it also gives that, you can see a bit of a milky kind of color on top. Nothing too dramatic though, but I love it. Like I said to you guys, this is my very quick summer face routine, although I don't use really these lashes on everyday basis and this eyeshadow, but you know, just a little bit of definition on the eyes. And I like this face because it looks very fresh, have the freckles on, everything looks really nice. So I will see you in my next video. Take care and